Hi, my name is Tony Dimitriadis. I run an accounting and advisory firm, and I specialise in helping ambitious builders and property developers build a financially rewarding, tax-efficient lifestyle business. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I'd like to ask you an important question. Are you lodging and paying all your ATO commitments on time? Hope so. You need to ensure that all your statutory compliance is met on time and with complete accuracy. If you don't, you can be subject to penalties, interest, and extra costs to correct the problem. The main compliance requirements are 3 items: tax, super, work cover. There are others, but I want to focus on those 3 today. Tax. You have the requirement to lodge an annual tax return to the ATO, whether that's as a sole trader, partnership, trust, company, or self-managed super fund. In addition, you need to lodge your monthly or quarterly activity statements with the ATO. Your activity statements account for your GST, your pay-as-you-go withholding, and your pay-as-you-go instalments. So within that activity statement, there's 3 taxes that you need to be wary of, and the timing of those is important as well. The frequency, monthly or quarterly, will depend on, from a GST perspective, your turnover, and from a pay-as-you-go withholding perspective, the level of payroll. Secondly, superannuation. When you employ, you need to pay your workers superannuation. Currently, the superannuation guarantee charge is 9.5% of their gross pay. Simple? Absolutely. What sometimes gets forgotten is your requirement to pay superannuation for your subcontractors. Now, not all subcontractors, but those that work predominantly for you and supply labour only, and they don't have to be on a long-term contract, it could be short-term. As long as they meet that criteria, then the ATO will consider them effectively employees, and you have to pay the same 9.5%. So be mindful of how you engage contractors, how you pay them, what structure they have, and therefore your commitments. Thirdly, workers' compensation. As employers, we're required to make sure that all of our employees are covered and insured should there be any injury as a result of work. Now, that's simple and straightforward enough. And again, as with superannuation, the same applies for subcontractors. So those same subcontractors that you need to pay superannuation for, you will also need to cover for work cover. Also, the directors and owners of the business. Any payments made to them also need to be covered by work cover. So you can see there are quite a number of compliance issues that you need to be on top of. Knowing them is one thing, but meeting them is something else. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.